Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the incredible world of Lego, a company that has been capturing imaginations for nearly a century. Our tale begins in the quaint Danish town of Billund, back in 1932. A humble carpenter named Ole Kirk Christiansen started crafting wooden toys, unaware of the global phenomenon his creation would become. The name Lego, a contraction of the Danish words leg godt, meaning play well, was a fitting choice. From the very start, Lego truly made play better for everyone. From a small Danish town to the global stage, Lego's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. The humble wooden toys of the 30s paved the way for a toy empire, with revenues soaring to a staggering €6 billion by 2020. This success didn't just happen overnight, it was built brick by brick, just like a Lego masterpiece. And speaking of bricks, did you know that each year Lego astoundingly churns out over 60 billion of them? Yes, you heard that right, 60 billion bricks each year. Let's plunge into an exploration of some remarkable Lego facts. Can you believe that Lego manufactures more than 60 billion bricks each year? To put that into perspective, it's almost 8 times the world's population. If you think your largest set is something to brag about, you might want to reconsider. The Lego Art World Map holds the Guinness World Record for the largest commercially available Lego set, with a staggering 11,000 unique pieces. The scale of building is simply immense, but let's push the boundaries a little further. The record-breaking Lego set consists of a mind-boggling 9,000 pieces. Lego is not just about building blocks, it's a hub of innovation and creativity. Over the years, Lego has introduced new lines that push boundaries, like Lego Mindstorms. This robotics line blends the fun of building with the challenge of programming, offering a hands-on introduction to the world of engineering and coding. These sets have sparked curiosity and fostered learning in a fun and engaging way. Lego Mindstorms inspired millions of children to explore engineering and coding. From the playroom to the big screen, Lego has seamlessly woven itself into the fabric of pop culture. The company's collaborations with major film franchises like Star Wars and Harry Potter have amplified its appeal. Lego's ability to bring cinematic universes to life brick by brick has created a unique blend of play and storytelling. Whether you're assembling Hogwarts or the Millennium Falcon, the magic of these worlds comes alive in your hands. These sets have become iconic among fans and collectors. Lego is building a greener future. The company's commitment to sustainability is as strong as the interlocking grip of their bricks. They're on a mission to transform their entire product line to use wholly sustainable materials by the year 2030. Lego is not only creating a world of play, but also contributing towards a healthier planet. Their vision extends beyond the present, ensuring that the joy of building and play continues for generations to come. Lego is committed to making play sustainable for future generations. So, Lego is more than just a toy. It's a symbol of innovation, a beacon of quality, and a testament to the relentless pursuit of excellence. From humble beginnings to a global giant, Lego has transformed playtime into an extraordinary experience. With astonishing numbers, breakthroughs, cultural impact, and a commitment to sustainability, it's clear that Lego is building a world of success. So, here's to the legendary toy company that has made our world a little more colorful and a lot more fun. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video.